very welcome to Friday Facebook Frenzy. We are the Broken Pokers. And we got heaps of requests already starting to come in. This first one that we're going to kick off with is... Oh, by the way, if you're joining us from the Irish Club Lyrics Board show, hope it was a good one. And thank you for coming across here. And we're going to start off with a song from Christy Moore.
Now, we promised Jonathan when we do this for him.
This is for Jonathan.
He didn't say yes or no, so we thought we'd do it anyway. Like, you!
It's not much for a chippy but slinging a pig. And you can't live on love alone. So you sail across the ocean away across the foam. Now where you're a Paddy, you're a Biddy, or a Mick, good for nothing but stacking that brick. And your best mate's is Spain and he carries a is heavily shod. Oh, I'm missing you. I give all for the price of the flight. Oh, I'm missing you under Piccadilly's neon. Oh, who'll be you more than the arm you must buy? Drink helps me laugh, helps me cry, and I just ring Red Biddy for a permanent high, and I laugh a lot less and I'll cry till I die. Oh, I'm missing you. I give all for the price of the flight. Oh, I'm missing you under Piccadilly's neon. In the ocean, you better think twice, 'cause you can't live without love alone. And the proofs are all London and nobody's own, where the summer is fine but the winter's a fridge, wrapped up in old cardboard at the Charing Cross Bridge. And you'll never go home now because of the shame of the misfits' reflection in the shop window pane. Oh, I'm missing you. I give all for the price of the life. Oh, I'm missing you under Piccadilly's neon. Oh! And oh, I'm missing you. I give all for the price of the price. Oh, I'm missing you under Piccadilly's neon. Oh, I'm missing you. Yeah, I'm missing you. Oh,
I think the piece of the furniture just fell down.
Something
there.
fell down. Yeah.
You obviously sung it well.
We are breaking your house, Ben. Fair play.
Good.
So we've got
That's what it's for.
we've got a very special guest in the room with us tonight, Ben. Who's that?
It's my mum.
Oh, hey.
Okay, apparently, now our lads move between regions in our state, and so Mum's taken the opportunity to come up and be a studio audience.
Ah, great to have you, Mum. Lovely stuff. So we got a request that carries over from last week. This one's for Marianne, and we've got heaps of requests coming in, so keep them coming, folks.
This song is about a man who he defies all logic because he's so strong and big and brilliant. He can drink all the water of the sea and walk all the way to Italy. It's hard to believe it, isn't it?
Some fella.
And he's my brother.
I actually know that man. I believe it.
Have you heard about the big strong man? He lives in the caravan. Have you heard about the Jeffrey Johnson fight? Oh Lord, what a hell of a fight. You can't take all the heavyweights you got. We got a lad that'll beat the whole lot. He used to ring the bells in the belfry, and now he's gonna fight Jack Dempsey. Was my brother Sylvester?
What's he got?
A rum of 40 medals on his chest.
A big chest.
He killed 50 babble in the west. He knows the rest. Think of a man hell's fire. Don't push, just jump. Plenty room for you and me. He's got an arm like a leg.
A lady's leg.
And the punch that will sink a battleship. It takes all the Anglo nations with the window. Sylvester, well, he thought he'd take his trip to Italy. He thought that he'd go by sea. He dove off the harbour in New York, and he swam like a man made of cork. He saw the Lusitania in distress.
What did he do?
He put the Lusitania on his chest.
A big chest.
He drank all the water in the sea, and he walked all the way to Italy. He was my brother, Sylvester.
What's he got?
A rum of 40 medals on his chest. He killed 50 babin in the west. He knows the rest. Think of a man hell's fire. Don't push, just shove. Plenty of room for you and me. He's got an arm like a leg.
A lady's leg.
And the punch that will sink a battleship.
A big ship.
It takes all the army and the navy to put the wind up Sylvester. Oh yeah. Well, he thought he'd take a trip to Italy. Broke out the big brass bands. Oh, wait a second, I didn't go there. He already went there. Well, he thought he'd take a trip to old Japan. They broke out the big brass band. He played every instrument they got, like a ladger. He beat the whole lot. Now the old church bells will ring.
Hell's bells.
The old church choir will sing.
Hell's fire.
They all went out to say farewell to me brother Sylvester. He was my brother Sylvester.
What's he got?
A roll of 40 medals on his chest.
A big chest.
Tic tac, get the fire in the breast. He knows no rest. Think of a man hell's fire. Don't push, just shove. Plenty room for you and me. He's got an arm like a leg. And a punch that will sink a battleship.
A big ship.
It takes all the army and the navy to put the wind off Sylvester. He was my brother Sylvester.
What's he got?
A roll of 40 medals on his chest.
A big chest.
He killed 50 babin in the west. He knows no rest. Think of a man hell's fire. Don't push, just shove. Plenty room for you and me. He's got an arm like a leg.
A lady's leg.
And a punch that will sink a battleship.
A big ship.
It takes all the army and the navy to put the wind off Sylvester. Oh! I love to have a beer with Duncan. Oh, I love to have a beer with Dunk. We drink in moderation, and we never ever get rolling drunk. We drink at the town and country where the atmosphere is great. I love to have a beer with Duncan, 'cause Duncan's we made.
Oh, I love to have a beer with Colin.
Oh, I love to have a beer with Cole. We drink in moderation, and it doesn't really matter if he brings it all. We drink at the town and country where the atmosphere is great. I love to have a beer with Colin, 'cause Colin's we made.
Oh, I love to have a beer with Kevin.
Oh, I love to have a beer with Kev. We drink in moderation, and he drives me home in his big old shed. We drink at the town and country where the atmosphere is great. I love to have a beer with Kevin, 'cause Kevin's me made. On you, Kevo! Or Tyke.
Oh, I love to have a beer with Patrick.
Oh, I love to have a beer with Pat.
We drink in moderation, and I couldn't give a shit if the beer was flat.
We drink at the town and country where the atmosphere is great. I love to have a beer with Patrick, 'cause Patrick's me mate. On you, Paddy.
Oh, I love to have a beer with Robert.
Oh,
I love to have a beer with Bob. We drink in moderation.
Just one more and we're back on the job. We drink at the town and country where the atmosphere is great. I love to have a beer with Robert, 'cause Robert's me mate. Oh, you got so many mates, man.
I'm popular.
You're a social drinker. Not anymore.
A social distancing drinker. whatever that means. Oh, topical. I love to have a beer with Duncan. I love to have a beer with Dunk. We drink in moderation, and we never ever get rolling drunk. We drink at the town and country where the atmosphere is great. I love to have a beer with Duncan, 'cause Duncan's been made. Ah, yes, I love to have a beer with Duncan, 'cause Duncan's been made.
Hey!
Thank you, ladies.
Oh, everything's going right for us so far tonight.
Jesus.
Oh, that's great. So, if it's your first time here at Friday Facebook Frenzy, we just kind of play whatever you guys want to hear. So
Sometimes what you don't want to hear.
that first song, Big Strong Man, was requested by Marianne. So thank you for that, and maybe another one coming up from Marianne a little bit later. Everyone wants more Ben, and let's be honest, you know, so do I as well. So we've had a lot of requests for more Ben. So let's do a song for Pete.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
What do you reckon?
So Dad's been watching the shows at home in 2J. And it turns out he's a Waterboys fan.
He didn't know he was a Waterboys fan.
No, he knows more about them than I do.
Really?
Yeah.
Fair play to him.
He gave me a call the other day and was giving me all the stats, and I was like, I don't know what you're talking about.
I think they're coming back to Perth as well. This
Yeah,
well,
they were,
I mean, they were supposed to before everything went haywire.
Yep.
So yeah. All right, here's a bit of Waterboys here for Pete.
I wish I was a fisherman tumbling on the sea, far away from dry land and its bitter memories, casting out my sweet line with abandonment and love. No ceiling bearing down on me, say the starry sky above would light in my head, and you in my arms. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. And I wish I was a brakeman on a hurtling fever train, crashing headlong into the heartland like a cannon in the rain, with the feeling of the sleepers and the burning of the gold. Count the towns flashing by in an eye that's full of soul, with light in my head and you in my arms. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo. And I know I will be loosened from bonds that hold me fast, and all chains around me will fall away at last. And on that grand and fateful day, I'll take thee in my hands. I will ride on the train. I will be the fisherman with light in my head, you in my arms. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Jazz. Woo. Yeah, with light in my head and you in my arms, with light in my head, with you. Yeah, with light in my head and you in my arms, with light in my head, with you. Yeah, with light in my head
great, man.
That song's about a sad day's fishing.
Oh, that's super. Actually, myself and Caroline were watching a movie last night that had that one in it.
Fisherman's Friends.
As normal, we got Caroline in the corner there. She's handling all the requests.
Snide comments from the background.
Quiet, you. All right, so we're going to sing this song. This one's for Yvonne. So we're going to get this one out early because I know it's a lot of people's favourites, and it's an old Rebel song from Dublin, and it's called Grace. As we gather in the chapel here in Old Kilmainham Jail, I think about these past few weeks. Or will they say we failed? From our school days, they have told us we must yearn for liberty. Yes, all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me on at dawn and I will die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. No, won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now I know it's hard for you, my love, to ever understand the love I bear for these brave men, my love for this dear land. But when Porrig called me to his side down in the GPO, I had to leave my own sick bed. To him I had to go. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I've placed this wedding ring upon your finger. No, there won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now as the dawn is breaking, my heart is breaking too. On this May morn as I walk out, my thoughts will be of you. And I'll write some words upon the wall so everyone will know I love so much that I could see his blood upon the rose. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me on at dawn and I will die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. No, there won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Sing it with us. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. That one's for Yvonne. Thank you very much. Oh,
Your
look at
other
this.
request we're actually going to get in on Wednesday.
Oh yeah, Yvonne requested a lovely tune as well. We might have to hit up Eddie Kavanagh for that one. What do you reckon?
That's right, we will.
Yeah, okay. That one's coming up, Yvonne. So stick around with us for next Wednesday's Lot Show. Thank you very much.
There's some crackers in there.
Look at all of these coming in, man. I don't know. What do you reckon? What do you fancy?
Well, like we haven't actually done a specific request for requested number 4, yeah?
Oh yeah, fair enough.
Yeah,
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Charlie, how you going?
Charlie, this one's for you. And no prizes for guessing.
I've been a wild rover for many's a year, and I spent all my money on whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with Golding Bridge Store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more.
I went into an ale house
I used to frequent,
and I told the landlady
that my money was spent.
sure I asked her for credit.
She answered me nay.
Such a cuss like yours
I could have any day, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more.
So I took from my pocket
10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, I have whiskey and wine's of the best, and the words that I spoke, sure they're only in jest, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. Anyway,
Spirit of Jolly.
I'll go home to my parents and confess what I've done, and I'll ask them to pardon their prodigal son.
Would you, Mum?
If they caress me as sometimes before, sure I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never. Oh, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. On you, Charlie, up you boya.
Look, I'm no Charlie, but I hope that hit the spot there.
Ah, that was great, man. That was
I'll tell
great.
you what, like I'm shaving my moustache off again, like a good Mormon.
Yeah?
I've done my button up to the top.
How's that going for you?
I can. They're tough people, eh? Like,
I don't know how many of them are doing gigs, though, you know what I mean? To be fair.
or drinking pints of wine.
I see you're on the grape juice tonight. Fair play.
Look, it's halfway between whiskey and beer. I thought I'd cut out the middleman.
I'm just looking at the bottom one there, man. See as it's Friday night, we could maybe do a little bit.
Is that Cabo?
Yeah. Ew. All right, Carmel, this is for you, hon. We did this song last Sunday on our special famine memorial show. But
With a great deal of respect.
yes, and here's our Friday night party version of that very same song.
Let Yeah, apologies. all
It's
round.
it's unrecognisable and not in a good way.
By a lonely prison wall, I heard a young girl calling. Oh, Michael, they are taking you away. For your soul to Lion's corn, so the young might see the morn. Now a prison ship lies waiting in the bay. Oh, the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free bird fly, and love was on the wing. We had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely around the fields of Athenry. By a lonely prison wall, I heard a young man calling. Oh, nothing matters, Mary, when you're free. Against the powers on the crown, I rebel, they cut me down. Now you must raise a child with dignity. Oh, the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free bird fly, and our love was on the wing. We had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. Come on now. Woo!
Hey, I got it.
Sad verse, come on now. They're all sad verses.
Right. By a lonely harbor wall, she watched the last star falling as the prison ship sailed out against the sky. For she lives in hope and pray for her love in Botany Bay.
It's starting to get me down, man. It's Friday Facebook frenzy. You know what I mean?
It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. Oh, the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free bird fly, and the love was on the wing. We had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. One more time. Oh, the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small rebird fly, and the love was on the wing. We had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. Oh, it's so lonely round the fields of
That's
That's a serious song.
that's disco trad there.
Awkward.
Oh, bring it the disco.
Yeah.
Well, Ben, what do you reckon?
Or should we do a conga version of Raglan Road now? I don't know. We have some requests. Here we are.
What about number 2? No, Johnny V's requested number 1 there a couple of times, but you reckon you can do it? We've never done that one before.
Look, yeah. I mean, if there's ever a show to take a chance,
It's now.
yeah.
All right, John Batista's putting us under pressure there all the way
You
from
may have
Bristol.
to give us like 20 seconds to sort out a key. I choose the key P.
I reckon we'll go up to E flat,
What key was it in normally?
D.
You may remember this conversation from a couple of weeks ago when I did exactly the same thing with another Pogue song.
What do you reckon?
It turns out I brought no capos to the game. Not sure.
What, this fella?
Is that going to cripple you?
Not at all. I've got any amount of them here.
Oh yeah, cool. We got a G clamp of any description.
So say a big shout out to Johnny B over there in Bristol. Hope you're doing all right, man. This song we used to do many moons ago. I haven't done it in an age, and we're gonna have to try and
If I could go up, hey.
up.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
This could be a wild mistake.
It's good. You could get front row seats to a car crash here. But,
That's what people pay for, eh? Have you ever seen Big Brother?
I want to
Top
say
show.
a shout out to Rhiannon and Mark as well, camping out tonight. We got heaps of requests coming from them as well. We're going to get through a couple of those. Deck has requested a good song that we don't know, but we're going to have to learn that one because that's not the first time that's happened. And Martina's, I hope that's Martina Quinn there. That's a great song. It sounds easy, but it's quite a difficult song. But we have to learn that as well.
There's a couple of Martinas on the line there, I think. Yeah.
Okay, all right. We'll definitely learn that song from Kerry because.
Madonic was the Rosa Tralee once. I mean, sorry, the other one. The bloke of Tralee.
Oh, right. Oh, was he? Go away. Oh, the old chaperone there.
He was, yeah.
All right, we're going to try this. We've never done this before, and I'm putting Ben under serious pressure here, but this is beautiful. This is a beautiful song from Tipperary that was written by the Pogues and for Liam Clancy. So we're going to do the Liam Clancy version, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop!
I saw you, it was down at the Greeks. There was whiskey on Sunday and tears in our cheeks. You sang me a song just as pure as the breeze on the road leading up Glenavay. I sat for a while at the cross of Panu where young lovers would meet, and the bells were in bloom. The trip coming home from the Bargee route. I actually don't know. Here we go. I got it. start again. When I say start again, I mean start from 3 chords away through the song. So I walked as day was dawning, where small birds sang, and the leaves were falling, where we once watched the rovers landing by the broad, majestic sun, where we once watched the rovers landing by the broad, majestic sun.
Oh my god! Even I gotta clap that one.
I actually forgot how hard that song was playing the mandolin, and I was
Oh my
halfway through. I was like,
God.
"Oh, this could be a fucking
That
shit
was
show."
impressive, man. I'm impressed. Seriously. That was King Kong balls right there, man. When God invented balls, he
used
waited to perfect them before he gave them to you. Fair play. That's a very tough song. All right, I'm going to take a bit of pressure here now.
Take the pressure down, you say? Oh no, or bring it up. Whatever one for taking the pressure down there.
That was called The Broad Majestic Shannon. For anyone who wants to hear that, I would recommend the Liam Clancy version, but it is a Pogue song. So,
Oh, Caroline's like, so Caroline has 2 boards that are interchanging here.
we need to go
And
buy
there's
another
one song
board.
on one of the boards that she really wants to hear. And she's like, have you finished with this one?
No,
yet?
no, we haven't finished with that one. We haven't finished with that one. All right. Here's
We need more boards!
we'll do a GoFundMe for more boards. All right, this one's for Tommy. Tommy's requested a song from the Wolf Tones, and I first heard this song when I was 19 years of age. I went out to visit my sister in New York, and in all the Irish bars they were singing this one. So this is called "The Streets of New York."
I was 18 years old when I went down to Dublin with a fistful of money and a cartload of dreams. Take your time, says me father, stop rushing like hell and remember all's not what it seems to be. For there's fellas would cut you for the coat on your back or the watch that you got from your mother. So take care, me young bucko, and mind yourself well, and will you give this wee note to my brother? At the time Uncle Benji was a policeman in Brooklyn. My father, the youngest, looked after the farm, till a phone call from America said send the lad over. The old fella said sure it wouldn't do any harm. For I've spent my life working this dirty old ground for a few pints of porter and the smell of a pound. And sure maybe there's something you'll learn or you'll see. You can bring it back home, make it easier on me. So I landed at Kennedy and a big yellow taxi carried me and me bags to the streets and the rain. Well, my poor heart was thumping around with excitement, hardly even heard what the driver was saying. We came in the Shore Parkway through the flatlands in Brooklyn to my uncle's apartment on East 53rd. I was feeling so happy, I was humming a song and I sang, "You're as free as a bird." And to shorten the story, what I found out that day was that Benji got shot down in an uptown parade. And while I was flying me way to New York, poor Benji was lying in a cold city morgue. Well, I called up the old fella, told him the
to Nelly's beside Fordham Road, and I started to learn about lifting my load. But the heaviest thing that I carried that year was the bittersweet thoughts of my hometown so dear. I went home that December 'cause the old fella died, and to borrow the money from the fella on the side, and all the bright flowers and brass couldn't hide the poor wasted face of my father. I sold up the old farmyard for what it was worth, and into my hammock stuck a handful of birds. Then I boarded the train and I caught me a plane, and I found myself back in the US again. It's been 22 years since I set foot in Dublin. My kids know to use the correct knife and fork, but I'll never forget the green grass and the rivers as I keep law and order on the streets of New York. Come on now. Na 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 na. Lovely. Lovely on the whistle, man. That's great.
What a tune.
Yeah, that's a ripper. Thank you, Tommy, for that one. Fair play.
That's a bastard of a tune. Glad I didn't have to sing that.
It's curly, all right. We need to give Caroline back one of these boards. So will we get something off the first one here? What's she waiting for?
Which one do you think?
Oh, she's waiting for that song. All right, we'll do that one. So.
Caroline's like, yeah, woo, yeah, Caroline's request.
You're clapping for yourself. Oh my God.
Caroline's, yeah, there's no amount of claps could do the justice, yeah.
Yeah, you're doing a great job as always. So this song is a song from Luca Bloom, and it's got a couple of tunes at the start of it as well. Ben gets to play some jigs. You.
And they're my favourite kind of jig.
stuff.
Now, I'm probably going to embarrass 2 people in the room here.
Well,
Maybe 3. Like, Mum's easily embarrassed. But you know how couples have, like, this is our song?
oh yeah.
I feel like that's the one for you and our producer. Yeah.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, there's so many though.
I feel like if the 2 of us, were to get the sack, I'd be the first one to go there.
Oh, fair play. You're probably right. Anyways, we said we'd do a song for Tig and Rebecca, and Tig's mum sitting at home, and she was.
Speaking of mums.
Oh yeah. Go on.
No. I was just commenting on what you were saying.
Oh, fair play. So what I said that I know Tig's a big Pogues fan, so we're going to do this song for Tig and his mum Rebecca sitting at home. Tig broke his back 9 weeks ago, which we were unaware of. What terrible friends are we?
in the craziest circumstances.
Yeah. So he was attacked by a cow. I didn't know that cows had that instinct in them, you know, but apparently they're vicious animals. Do not try and wrangle one.
Mind you, like, I mean, this may be going into too much detail.
The cow was giving birth.
Yeah.
It might have been out of her mind. Fair play. So that's a public service announcement there. We approve this message.
What are we doing?
On the 4th of July, 1806, we set sail from the street called the Cork. We were sailing away with a cargo of bricks for the grand city hall of New York. It was a wonderful craft, she was rigged for a nap, and oh, how the oil wind drove her. She had several blasts, she had 27 masts, and they called her the Irish Road. We had 1 million bales of the best Sligo rags. We had 2 million barrels of stone.
Barrels of stone?
We had 3 million sides of all blind horses' hide. We had 4 million barrels of bones. We had 5 million hogs, had 6 million dogs, had 7 million barrels of pork tail. We had 8 million bales of old nanny goat's tails in the whole of the Irish Road. And there was old Mickey Hughes, who played hard on his flute when the ladies lined up for his cess. He was tuned with skill for each part in quadrille, till the dancers were fluted and best. And with his fast witty talk, he was cock on the walk as he rolled his legs under and over. They all knew at a glance when he took off his pants that he sailed in the Irish Road. And there was Barney McGee from the banks of the Lee. There was Hogan from County Tyrone.
Up Tyrone.
There was Jimmy McGurk, who was scared shit of work, and your man from Westmeath called her Buck. There was Slugger O'Toole, who was drunk as a rule, and White and Bill Tracy from Dover, and your man Nick Bigan from the banks of the Bag was the skipper of the Irish Road.
Sorry, I've never done that before. I'm practicing in the background. I promise I'll be back with you, folks. Should have thought of that a little more before I did. All right, back. Sorry. I'm gonna run out of notes. What's the best? So that's
That's
C.
where you need a kazoo.
I feel like this fella might come in handy, eh?
The high G. Yee! What's happening here, folks? I'm not sure. Oh my God.
Sincerely
That is
apologies.
amazing, man.
I have to go back to Amish life.
That was great. Kids, stay in school. For a sailor, it's always a bother in life. It's so lonesome by night and by day.
I think I've gone deaf.
For the shore and his charming young whore who will melt all his troubles away. All the noise and the rout, swilling, butching and stout. For him soon it's all over. Of the love of a maid, he is never afraid. And also from the Irish road. We had sailed 7 years when the measles broke out and the ship lost its way in the fog. And that whale of a crew was reduced down to 2. Just myself and the captain's old dog. Then the ship took a rock. Oh, what a shock. That bulkhead was turned right over. Sad times, everybody. It
Shipwise.
turned 9 times around, and the poor old dog was drowned. Water down the lass of the Irish rover. Come on! La, yeah, 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 the lass of the Irish rover. That's for you, Tony. And your mum.
Well, that was nice.
That was brilliant, man. How did you work that out in the fly?
I have no idea.
Oh, mum was so proud. All those years in WAPA, just to be able to play that little tin whistle. That was impressive, man. That was awesome.
My supervisors would be disgusted.
I take my hat off to you, sir, and I'm not wearing one. Okay,
Metaphorical hat.
I think we could do the second one there for Niamh. Have we got many more coming in, Caroline?
Yeah.
Any favourites there that...
You've got some for Rihanna and
All right, let's do this one for Niamh here, because we normally do this
Yeah.
one for, on a Friday night. All right.
Well, this actually mixes up two things that in close proximity,
Go on.
which is Patty, my mum,
I
and the
see.
railway.
Oh, nice. I like it. All right, this is a song called Paddy on the Railway. And this is about Ben's mum.
We live right next to we live like my house. I say we, like everybody lives here.
It's just your house, man.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
No, yeah. Anyway.
It hasn't been your house in a while. Look at him lamenting there. Do you need a moment?
I just had a moment there. All right, back. But yeah, there's a massive railway line right next to me, and so
Don't tell people where you live.
Oh no! Like it's in Kalgoorlie.
It's on the Armadale line.
So we have to like sound baffle this whole room and stuff so that we don't hear trains all night.
I love
But
it.
this is one of the times where you feel like pulling the baffle down so you can hear it whistling past. Yeah.
Boop, boop. All right, here we go. It's for Niamh. Thank you, Niamh. In 1841, my corduroy breeches I put on. My corduroy breeches I put on to work upon the railway. The railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Patty works on the railway. In 1842, from Bartypool I moved to Crewe. Found myself a job to do, working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dogging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1843, I broke my shovel across my knee. Went to work for the company on the Leeds and Selby Railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dogging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1844, I landed on the Liverpool shore. My belly
hands were wrung with working on the railway, the railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Patty works on the railway. I never knew that about your mum, man.
She's pretty tough.
1845 when Daniel O'Connell, he was alive. Daniel O'Connell, he was alive and working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1846 I changed my trade from carrying bricks. Changed my trade from carrying bricks and working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1847, poor Patty was thinking of going to heaven. Poor Patty was thinking of going to heaven to work upon the railway. I can't believe they have one of them up there. The railway.
Apparently they got everything.
I'm weary of the railway. Poor Patty works on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. Oh, thank you, Neve. Thanks for that one. Oh, that's good fun. Paddy on the railway. What about Bobby's one there? We haven't done a bit of Saw Doctors in a while. Okay, well, this one comes in from Bobby, and this is a Saw Doctors song about the best DJ in a little village outside of Galway City called Tuam. Tuam is the fastest town in Ireland.
The fastest sound.
Yeah.
Choom. How do you... Choom. I get it. Yeah. That's where the Keens are from too, eh? My favourite musical family.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, are they?
Hey.
Okay,
Well,
Dolores and
whereabouts,
Sean.
yeah.
Yeah,
If you know what I mean. Yeah.
We're not going to pin them down. Fair play. What are you laughing at? All right, this one's called Tommy K, and it goes like this.
How's it go? What keys are you?
Hey. Let's call out his name, Tommy K, Tommy K. Tommy K, the DJ, Tommy K, Tommy K.
Oh, sorry. I got it.
You got it. It's not today, nor yesterday. The times were different then. The dancing was in dance halls. It had to stop for Lent. And the woman kept it going with his homemade Windex sounds. The bishop didn't like the crack and the DJ left the town. Let's call out his name, Tommy K, Tommy K. Tommy K, the DJ, Tommy K, Tommy K. Give us a locomotion, give me dancing shoes. Give us a mashed potato, give us a boogaloo. And give us the words between the songs to keep us on the floor. When Tommy's playing them records, we'll be all night wanting more. Let's call out his name, Tommy K, Tommy K. Tommy K, the DJ, Tommy K, Tommy K. Oh yeah! He's brave and courageous, upright and strong. He gives us inspiration, helps us all to get along. He'd be climbing up the hip parade forever and a day. And this song's in his memory, the immortal Tommy K. Let's call out his name, Tommy K, Tommy K. Tommy K, the DJ, Tommy K, Tommy K. Let's call out his name, Tommy K, Tommy K. Tommy K, the DJ, Tommy K, Tommy K. He be climbing up the hip parade forever and a day. And this song's in his memory, the immortal
immortal Tommy Kavanagh. Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on now, one more time. Let's call out his name. Tommy K, Tommy K. Tommy K, the DJ. Tommy K, Tommy K. Let's call out his name. Tommy K, Tommy K. Tommy K, the DJ. Tommy K, Tommy K. You! That is great life for that, man. The Saw Doctors haven't written a bad song yet. That's great. That's so good. So how are we doing for time? So ladies and gentlemen, very shortly we're going to have to take a quick intermission. That's just biology.
And technology.
But fear not.
Ornithology, if you like birds.
Keep the requests coming in. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep the stream going, in a manner of speaking.
Well, hopefully not.
And we're going to do the needful and then come back and do more songs for you.
We should design some new chairs, eh? We could play for hours.
And just go from the waist
Actually,
up.
they did it like a long time ago. But
We should totally have thought of that.
Anyway.
So anyways,
Upwards and upwards.
That's some business. So keep the requests coming in. We've got a song here for Rhiannon and Porky that I want to play. This one's been
And Mum.
Oh yeah, the top one.
Sorry? Oh, no. No.
I still got that one on the list. Maybe you can play it after.
Maybe I don't want it.
All right, it's for you guys.
This is gonna once again. Every time we play Oasis, I'll ruin like my lovely handmade instrument.
Oh yeah,
Because it requires
the
bending.
bending. Yeah.
Mandolin players, do not follow my example.
This is for you guys out camping. How many special people change? How many lives are living strange? Where were you while we were getting high? Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you'll find me caught beneath the landslide in a champagne supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in a champagne supernova, a champagne supernova in the sky. Wake up the doll and ask her why. The dreamer dreams she never dies. Wipe that tear away now from your eye. Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you'll find me caught beneath the landslide in a champagne supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in a champagne supernova, a champagne supernova. 'Cause people believe that they're gonna get away from the summer. But you and I, we live and die. The world still spinning round. We don't know How many special people change? How many lives are living strange? Where were you while we were getting high? Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in a champagne many special people change?
7.
How many lives are living strange?
14.
Where were you while we were getting high? We were getting high. 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 Oh yeah! Ah, you guys are awesome.
Britpop.
Thank you so much. So we got time for one more song, you reckon? Should we do that song? You know that one that we know?
I do.
And strangely, he does know what I'm talking about. All right, okay. This song,
I think about Lost Body and Capos, eh?
I've no more.
That's all right.
I'll give you another one though if you like.
I'm sure it's down here somewhere amongst all the other blackness.
So we always have to do this song at the end of a set because I need to completely change the tuning on my guitar.
Someone just said, after the end of that song, I just said, I'm only getting drunk.
What's that?
I said, I'm only getting drunk.
Okay. Well then, that's not you then.
Oh, why did this lever for a capo?
Do you want to take this fella here? There we go. The show
This is
must
why
go
we can't
on.
have nice things. Well, that's why I can't have nice things.
All right. So if you've enjoyed the music tonight, let us know in the comments. We are just going to take a very short break in order to do the needful and then come back. We got to make a cup of tea or something like that.
Cook up a slap up girl for 2.
And then we're going to come back on. So stay on the. We got some wonderful interval music and some interesting slides as well. So stick around with
slides.
Stick around with us. Keep the requests coming in. Keep the phones hopping and the windows locked. We have the chance to turn the page alone.
Mom loves it.
We can write what we want to write. We gotta make ends meet before we get much done. Oh! We're on someone's shoulders. We're on someone's shoulders. How long can we look at each other? Down the barrel of it goes.
gonna shit in silence. We're not gonna live in zero. Whoa, take it away, Chuckman. You're the voice I understand it. Make a noise and make it clear. Oh, whoa.
We're not gonna sit in
We're not gonna
silence.
shit in silence. We're not gonna live in fear.
One more time.
The other boys try to understand it. Make a noise and make it clear. Oh, whoa. We're not gonna shit in silence. We're not gonna live with Steve. Oh,
Ladies and gents, Friday Facebook Frenzy continues after this short intermission. We'll make a cup of tea and we'll see you back here in about 5 minutes. And we're going to leave you in Caroline's capable hands.
Is the end break on? I know I put it somewhere. Oh, there it is. Yeah, alright, we can. It's got heaps of these clamps and they, like, doesn't matter. G'day. Hey guys.
Look at all this.
Lanigan's Bowl. British soldiers. It is a classic song, eh? Arthur McSteve. So, are these things on? How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Backstage Town.
What about
Birds without wings? What does that even mean? What? Huh? Who's mum? Oh, yeah.
No, sorry, the one above.
Yeah.
I need some capos back, man. At least one.
I gave you one back there, sorry, on your telephone.
What about the other one? Is it gone?
Oh, yeah. I'll go find it. I can't see you, but like I feel like I can do the thumbs up.
How you going, folks? We're back.
Good to go, Caroline. Yeah, like just give us 2 more minutes and
Just to let you know, poor Caroline is man on the helm there, and the only problem is that we don't really listen to anything she says, and yeah,
and then we're idiots.
Yes, yeah. So I feel like I want to apologise to you, but I need to apologise to Caroline first. Fair play.
Sorry, Caroline.
So we got heaps of requests coming in with Friday Facebook Frenzy, and we're going to start off with one for Sean and Esther. All right, here we go. Was in the merry month of June. First from home I started, left the girls a tune. All sad and broken, hearted salute to father dear. Kiss me darling mother, I drank a pint to be me grief. And tears as mother so up to reap the corn. Late for I was born, cut the stout like dawn. To banish ghosts and goblins ball. We buried the bros, rattling over the bogs. Frightened all the dogs, up in the rocky road to Dublin and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road. And all the way to Dublin whack for Lonnie da. In Mullingar that place I rested him so weary started by daylight next morning bright, and there he took a drop of the pure, kept me heart from sinking, that's the paddy's cure. Everybody's on for drinking to see the lassie smile, laughing all the while at me curious time. Was set your heart to bubble and ask me was I hired and wages I required. I was clearly tired up on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin back for in Nolan next to ride, I called to be a beating the bee so soon to find a view of that great city. So then I took a stroll all among the quality wonder in the football in the neat locality. Something crossed me mind, then I left behind the one look as I find upon me shake a bowl and cry. And that was the road he said, they call it road. It wasn't much involved up in the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hunt the hare, turn her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin back to from there I got away, me spirit never failed, and landed on the gate to stand the ship to sail. The captain at me roared, said hello to Paddy, when I jumped aboard the cabin, bound for Paddy. So down amongst the big, dancing hearty jig, dancing hearty jigs, the water round me wobbling, and Holly had to ride with myself and dead, went the Baron dead, up on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold the hare and turn her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin back to Maloney. Stuff. Thanks for that one. That was for Sean and Esther. Thank you. Fair play. What do you reckon, Ben? Should we go down the bottom there? Do a song for Noreen. Noreen. This is also one of your mum's favourites here. Thank you for joining us here in the in whatever this is. What is this? Who am I? Are they my feet?
Shut up. Let's play some tunes.
Okay, fair play. Alright, here's another song for Noreen.
Oh, shit.
Oh, no, I forgot to retune my thing.
Right, in the meantime, doesn't work.
Alright.
I think I've got it. Oh, this Guinness is going flat.
Oh. Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down. inside. The summer is gone and all the flowers are dying. 'Tis you must go and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, or when the valley's hushed and white with snow. 'Tis I'll be here in sunshine or in shadow. Oh Danny boy, I love you so. And if you come and all the flowers are dying, if I am dead, as dead I may well be, I pray you'll find the place where I am lying, and kneel and say an Ave there for me, and I shall hear those soft ye tread above me, and all my grave will warm and sweeter be. Until you come to me, and I shall hear those soft ye tread above me, and on my grave will warm and sweeter be. And then you'll kneel and whisper that you love me, and I shall sleep in peace until you come to me. Thanks, Noreen. Thank you. Ah, class. All right, what's going on here? Let's give something a bit of a buzz here. Shall we do Natasha's mum's favourite here? Seeing as mums were mentioned. All right, Natasha, this is for yourself and your mum. Hopefully you are enjoying the show so far. Thank you for sticking around. And this is a song you all know so well. About
a song that I love so well.
That's a great idea, Ben. Lubricate the larynx. All right, and it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, roll the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley. Oh, roll the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley. And in that bog there was a hole, a rare hole, a rattling hole, and a hole in the bog down in the valley. Oh, roll the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley. Oh, roll the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley. And in that hole there was a tree, a rare tree, a rattling tree, and the tree in the hole in the bog down in the valley. Oh, and the branch and the limb and the limb and the tree and the hole and the hole and the bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. The bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. The bog down in the valley, oh. And on that twig there was a nest, a rare nest, a rattling nest and the nest and the twig and the twig and the branch and the branch and the limb and the limb and the tree and the hole and the hole and the bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. The bog down in the valley. And in that nest there was an egg, a rare egg, a rattling egg, and the egg in the nest and the twig and the twig and the branch and the branch and the limb on the tree and the hole and the hole and the bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. Bog down in the valley, oh. And in that egg there was a bird, a rare bird, a rattling bird, and the bird and the egg and the nest and the twig and the twig and the branch and the limb and the limb and the tree and the hole and the hole and the bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. Bog down in the valley, oh. And on that bird there was a wing, a rare wing, a rattling wing and the wing and the bird and the egg and the nest and the twig and the branch and the limb and the limb of the tree and the hole in the bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. The bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. The bog down in the valley, oh. And on that wing there was a feather, a rare feather, a rattling feather, and the feather and the wing and the bird and the egg and the nest and the twig and the branch and the limb of the tree and the hole in the bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. Bog down in the valley, oh. And on that feather there was a flea, a rare flea, a bastard and flea. With the flea and the feather and the wing and the bird and the egg and the nest and the twig and the branch and the limb of the tree and the hole in the bog. Bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. The bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. The bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. The bog down in the valley, oh, roll the rattling bog. And the bog down in the valley, oh.
So I'll sing one of two songs if you will sing one of two songs.
All right, go on, yeah? Give it to me.
I want you to sing, like, just so you know, like, what the game is.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
Number one
Yes?
or number three.
Oh, yeah.
Or both.
No bother, yeah.
Well, actually, if I sing no songs, can you sing both of them?
Of course I can. I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
Friday, Facebook friends.
No, I think number three would be lovely. Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So this one is from Marianne as well. And this is an old love song about a guy who's in love with a corpse.
And if you do that, I'll do number four on board number two.
Oh, I see what's going on here. Oh, like this is it's like everyone at home. This is what your dad was saying. Everyone's home like, we can't see the boards, guys. Yeah, we're not really getting involved.
Yeah, but
in
if
this.
they could see the boards, then they'd just fucking fuck off, because it's like, why aren't they doing the thing that I said?
There's just not enough hours in the day. All right.
That's true.
I'm going to send this one out to Sean Byrne if he's listening.
He is listening.
Is he? Okay.
Yeah, him and
Sean,
his mate Steve next door.
Sean and Steve. Oh, no way. Oh, that's great.
Well,
They're playing along with you.
Oh, that's great. All right, Shawnee. Shawnee
love
sings
this
this. He sings this better than me, but I'm gonna do this anyways.
why'd they put so many strings on guitars?
Just to confound people. I was about to
They're
say.
probably spares.
Yeah, if you ask Fred that plays the dustbin bass, they're definitely spares.
Absolutely. He's got the rest of his his strings wrapped up downstairs.
My young love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for your lack of kind. And she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, oh, it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. As she stepped away from me, and she moved through the fair, and fondly I watched her move here and move there, and then she made her way homewards with one star awake, as the swan in the evening moved over the lake. The people were saying no jewelry were wed, but one had a sorrow that never was said, and I smile as she passed me with her goods and her gear, and none was the last that I saw of my dear. Last night she came to me, my dead love came in, so softly she came thus, her feet made no din, and she laid her hand on me, and this she did say, it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. Thanks.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's That's a touching song. It's touching me.
That was by the Chinese composer Paddy McGuire.
Next song.
Caroline's like, come on. Get on with it. Oh, you fools.
Look at number 7 from the bottom.
What? Number 7 from the bottom. How many from the top?
Why number 2 from the bottom?
Number 7 from the bottom. Have you ever heard the fucking feel of it, man? For fuck's sake. Throw me a bone here.
Shit.
Fair play. All right, you are right. Number 2 from the bottom from Paul is great. Actually,
I did promise that I'd sing a song if you did that one.
Yes, you did actually. Yeah. So sing a fucking song.
Maybe I want it.
Fair play. That is your prerogative as a modern woman.
Whisper boobs.
What are we singing? Are you doing? We're just annoying people. Are you doing number 4 from the top? On board number 2.
Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. I feel like I'm in a casino.
So does everyone else.
Yeah. What do you mean in the sense of the like not winning anything?
Oh, that's great. I think this is what's happening. I hope it is.
Good enough. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain. Yeah. Alright. Got the wrong mode on you. Almost heaven, Blue Ridge. Shit. I don't even know how the chords go for this. Forget that song, let's do something else.
Are you serious?
Now
Alright,
3
okay.
from the bottom.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. Okay, we've been asked for this song many times. You bailing on me like that, man? Oh, that sucks.
You'll be fine.
No, I know you're strong.
You'll recover.
Fair play. All right. We've been asked for this song like a bazillion times.
Porky and Random will not. I'm dead to them now.
Yeah. They'll forgive you, man. It's all right.
Yeah.
John asked for this next song. So this is for you, John. And this is exactly what Friday at Facebook Frenzy is about. So fair play. Keep the requests coming in. Thank you, guys. All right. Another head hangs lonely, child is slowly taken. And if violence causes silence, who am we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they're crying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In
Alright, apologies. I fucking hate that song.
Fair play. Thank you.
I really fucking
Thank you,
hate
John,
it.
for that one.
It's
Fair
a lovely
play.
poem, eh? Like, it's just an awful melody, eh? So I decided to destroy it.
Burn it down, man. That was great.
It's fair play. It's a good rebel song, yeah.
That was like electric guitar on the tin whistle.
That was like hell. Sorry. I just fucking hate that song, yeah.
What's the next song?
Thanks, John. Thanks for that one. Fair play.
Gee, John, I'm sure I guarantee you there's heaps of songs that I love. Like, most of the songs that I love you probably hate, but that's fine.
You got to sing us something, man.
Maybe I don't want to.
What about?
Well, that's what I mean. Like, I wasn't pointing at the tree down there. I was pointing at the tree up.
Oh, let's do that one then.
The wrong board there.
Oh shit! That's the problem when you got to be. See, when you make lots of money and you buy 2 boards, you know that's what the problem is. We gotta go back to basics.
Yeah, I should have fucking not splashed out in that second pool. I actually don't want to sing that song now. Like, what
No?
about? No, fuck no.
What do you want to sing now?
I just don't. I hate that song so much that like I can't sing any other songs. Yeah, like
Yeah.
A lot of like interest in this one.
Oh yeah.
yeah, number
Well,
one.
let's do some
number-
fucking rebel songs. Who gives a shit? Here we go. All right, it's gonna get loose, people. If you're easily offended, now is the time to leave Facebook frenzy, because shit is gonna get real.
Is there a way we can segue into this song?
Yeah, of course there is. I think. Let me see now. How can we do this? Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, okay. All right. We got this one here. So we're going to combine 2 songs.
Sorry, I do apologise. Like, I mean, that is like.
Don't apologise, man.
No, I think it's important to apologise.
No,
Like,
no, it makes
like
you,
the whole, like we asked everybody to request their favourite songs and like we'd play them, that sort of thing.
don't apologise. It makes you look weak among the pack.
No, I'm an emotional man there, and I fucking hate that song there. Death's a zombie. I feel like.
I feel like everybody. The next Friday, everyone just keep requesting zombie just to fuck with
It's
him.
happened before.
Just to fuck with him. Oh, Father, why are you so sad on this bright Easter morn? When Irishmen are proud and glad of the land that they were born. Oh, son, I see in memory too of far off distant days, when being just was on the dreary New Year's Eve as the shades of night came down, and a lonely note of volunteers approached the border town. There were men from Dublin and from Cork, Fermanagh and Tyrone, and the leader he was a Limerick man, John South from Garryowen. No more he will hear the seagulls cry or the murmuring shallow tide, for he fell beneath the northern sky, brave Almond by his side. They have gone to join that gallant band of Plunkett, Pearse and Cone, another martyr for Alliel and Sean South from Garryowen, another martyr for Alliel and Sean South from Garryowen. Oh, that's great crack. Thank you for that request. Time for one more. Caroline says one
There's-
more.
there's
Ah,
only-
Caroline. I thought you were.
There's only one tune we can play.
I thought
after
you were a
that.
great crack.
Great crap.
There's only one tune we can play after that.
Oh, I know the one you're doing. Oh, why do you make me sing this, man?
No, you
it's-
played the chord.
It's a great song. But all right. So, folks, we come to the end of this Friday. Actually, no, it's not the end of your Friday. You can party on, Wayne.
Yeah. Let no man tell you how to live.
Least
Which is
of-
exactly what
least-
this next song is about.
Least of all this man there. Folks, thank you so much for the requests. We'll see you back next Friday. Will we see him back next Friday, or are we off for Friday?
Who knows?
All right, okay. Keep an eye on the Facebook page because people are looking for gigs and stuff like that. But we're not going to
House parties.
house parties. Yeah, but
Pirate parties.
sometimes we play in houses and also churches. The odd time we will play in the swimming pool, but I won't play in a snooker room. I just won't do it, man. It's
We obviously haven't had this conversation. I forgot to read the charter.
There is some rooms that we won't. I will play on a boat, but not on a small boat. Thank you so much for sticking with us here. We are the Broken Pokers. A big thank you to Caroline, who's looking after everything, and a big shout out to Paddy, who Paddy made Ben. So thank you, Paddy. Fair play. Good work there. All right, help us out if you know this one here. I was born on a Dublin street where the royal drums did beat, and the fucking English feet, they walked all over us. And every single night when me dad would come home right, he'd invite the neighbours out with this chorus. Come out you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Tell you I call you a medal down in Flanders. Tell her how the IRA made your run like hell away from the green and lovely lines of Kinashandra. Come let us hear you tell how you slander great Parnell when you thought him well and truly persecuted. Where are the tears and tears that you loudly let us hear when our heroes of 16 were executed?
where the royal drums did beat, and those fucking English feet they walked all over us. And every single night when me dad would come home tight, he'd invite the neighbours out with this chorus. Come on! Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wife how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell her how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and lovely lanes of Killeshandra. Come out, you black and tans, come out and fight me like a man. Show your wife how you won medals down in Flanders. Tell her how the IRA made you run like hell away from the green and lovely lanes of Killeshandra. Ladies and gents, we are the Broken Buggers. Keep an eye on the old Facebook page. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for all the requests. You guys are awesome. Have a great Friday night. We love you. Cheers. Yo!
It's fine to finish the show. Well, apparently it went that bad now. I have no regret saying. No regrets.